Slow Motion actually is the song which resonates his Jawani, as we say, his youth in the film.
This was meant to be holy kind of celebration. We made Slow Motion thinking of bhang and that vibe.
Well, Shreya wants bhang, but bhang's not available in the studio, so there's coffee.
I'm very excited because it's from one of the most anticipated films of the year.
Ali's brief was, ये गाना हो रहा है when Salman's meant to be in his 20s. I was like, wow. And then there's Bhang, there's Holi, of course, and then there is a circus. So that's the other challenge.
In the periphery of mid-60s, 70s, these international circus used to be a big draw. Someone was called Rambo Circus, Russian Circus. So it was a mad mix. Dancers who've traveled from all over the world. We had people from Russia, Thailand, all over the Europe.
There were horses, there were dancers dressed up in various fancy clothes. The whole setup was like a dream.
My first day on the set of Bharat, and I'm so excited.
I can't dance, but I love dancing because you don't want to watch me dancing.
Sunil Grover is an entertainer. He kind of entertains in his dance too. So he had this madness to him and his madness showed in his dance.
Working with Salman sir is kind of an experience because he's a lovely person and he just makes everyone feel comfortable and homely. And yeah, it was a great experience.
I liked one of the Zeros and they were very cute, all of them. And they were all very excited and they also almost brought the house down because one of them paid a tribute to all Salman's hit songs and he did like a full show.
Slow Motion actually is an upbeat dance number to celebrate Jawani and life, and I'm very happy with the way it's turned out.